Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. Student, now I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 13, Good Citizen. You know student, what is the good citizen? There is some unique property. What? See, a good citizen is a person who knows his rights and duties and makes good use of it. It's the first property of good citizen. Clear? Next, good citizen has knowledge, self-control, common sense and devoted towards his duty. These are some properties of good citizen. Student, you know, you have some right, we have some duty. If you follow your duty, if you do your duty, means you are a good citizen. Clear? It does not matter whether he is rich or poor, big or small. Means what is your duty is your responsibility to finish it. Suppose understand nowadays what is your duty? For learning. Okay? So if you follow your duty, means you are a good citizen. Similarly, your parent, what is their work? What is their duties? Their duty, they give you knowledge, provide clothes, provide shelter, provide food. Is your parent duty. But question is, your parent doing their duty after 15 or 20 days, our examination will start. What is your work? Just you do at the time. It not a matter you are a rich or poor, big or small to him. Serving people means serving God. We all have some duties. When we do our duties sincerely, we feel happy and content. Suppose that if in the class, if teacher give any homework, if you finish the homework on the same day, then you have no any problem. If the next day, if anyone asks, just show me copy, okay? Sir, see, this is my copy. My copy completed. You become happy. Often you must have the heart, and elders say, you are grown up now, be responsible. Many times our elders, our parents scolded. What? What he told? You are grown up now, be responsible. Because suppose that if you are the 10, 12, 13-year-old, but sometimes we see that you not follow your duties. What is your first duty? Complete your copy, read the notebook. Okay? And sometime when we not doing our duties, then our parent always told, yes, just do your, complete your work, learn the question answer. This is your duty. Clear? So, the next day when you act in a matured way, then the same person would tell you, you are too young for all that. A good citizen will never fail to perform his duty. Read this story. So, student, the different persons have different duties. If they are not doing their duty, means you are not a good citizen. Like teachers, what is our work? To give knowledge. Your work, just learn the question answer, complete the copy. This is your duty. What is the doctor duty? Doctor duty to check the patient. What is the police duty? To maintain law and order. Means the different duties. And if you do your duty sincerely, means you are a good citizen. If you do your duty at the time, means you feel very happy. Clear now? Suppose that nowadays all the subjects given PDF. But some are lazy, okay, I will do tomorrow, next day. So when you get a bundle of work, it possible to complete? No. And when you start to complete after one you learn, and if you not learn, you become failed. So your duty is just to do your work at a time. Clear? It's not only for the student, all the person. What is your right? What is your duties? You do well. Okay, student. So these are one story, means how a person they perform his duty. So student, it was 5 o'clock on a Sunday morning 11-year-old Darshan. Student, the one story of one 11-year-old Darshan and you listen means how they perform his duty. Suddenly woke up, he heard some noise. He looked out of his window. He saw bright flame coming out from the third floor of the multi-story building. Okay. When he seen, after that he hearing some noise. Clear? He was terrified and mesmerized by the sense. He heard a scream of people crying for help. You know, student, if any building catch fire, then what is the condition of the people? So, how they perform his duty, student, is a very interesting story. Just listen. Soon he realized his duty. He quickly took his father's mobile and called the fire brigade and the local police station. You know, student, fire brigade is the one department who fight with the fire. They have the equipment, they have the water tank. Means if any building, anywhere, if it catch fire, so the fire brigade, one department who fight with the fire. They use water, they use fire extinguishers and stop the fire. So first he called the fire brigade, and second police station. You have the number of fire brigade? No. Or you have the local police station number? No. So if you don't know, just you find the fire brigade number and the police station number. After that, he almost no time, siren of the fire engine and police van scratched in the locality. The firemen come running with their house and other firefighting equipment. It was a windy day. Strong wind were making the fire spread to the other floor of the building. After calling, after 5 to 10 minutes, the fire brigade and the police also came to the locality and they started their work. I told already, the fire brigade is the one department who fight with the fire. So when the Darshan called the fire brigade, then the people of the fire brigade, they came with their equipment. Clear? Understand? But the one other condition, this is a windy day. You know windy day? When wind blow. So student, you know, wind is supporter of combustion. If anything burn, if wind blow, it support the combustion. So the firefighting men began their rescue operation immediately. They were trying every possible means to save everybody in the building. Means that they start their work because they only one aim to anyhow just be save the people who in the building. They also use their ladders to bring down the injured victims. You know, in the multi-story building, first in the metro cities, the police are builders, and in the very small place we make the multi-story building. So on that place, how the people reach on the top? By the ladders. Okay, see, student, like in our city, one crane. You see how the person put the bulb in the pole by the crane. Clear? Similarly, they have the ladder. With the help of ladder, they reach on the top to save the people. Almost everyone was saved. Suddenly, is one of the windows of the third floor, a tiny figure was seen waving her hand for help. Almost many people came the downside. But after that, at the last, is on the third floor building, the one person seen one waving hand who coming the outside. A 4-year-old girl named Lizzie. Clear? So just say waving her hand in the outside means anyone see their hand and save his life. Okay? The firemen tried to reach up her, but they could not get in. An iron beam had fallen near the window. So student, you know, from the window side, the people enter from the door side, means where we get the pathway. But the problem is there in the front of the window, one iron beam. You know iron beam? Because our building made by iron and cement. So when the building catch fire, then by accident, the one iron beam falling near the window. Means it blocked the path. After that, when they block the path, then how the person enter in the room? Is the problem. A huge crowd was watching the dreadful scene. Darshan was also there. He watched Lizzie's parent standing restless watching their child. I told already in the front of the window one iron beam fallen down. There the result the part of the window become blocked. So they are thinking how we enter in the room. Clear now? So when Darshan seen the such situation and when seen their parent, they are crying and they standing for helpless. So after that, the Darshan thought of an idea. He walked up to an officer and said, "Sir, I would like to suggest something. If a slim young man enters the window and pushes the beam down, then I think the girl can be saved." Because already the window blocked. So when Darshan seen, so he told the officer, the fire brigade officer, he told, "Sir, thus I want to give a suggestion. If any slim body, because fatty person is not able to enter in the window, but if any slim body, if they enter in the window and after that he push the ladder, then maybe we get the chance, we get the path for saving the girls." But problem there in the fire brigade, no any person was slim body, all are the fatty bodies. So question is, who enter in the room? The officer gave Darshan a strong look and then called one of his firemen. And officer listening the suggestion, he become agree, okay. After that he called one person, okay, just to go and give the fire equipment. Clear? After that, Darshan was seen climbing up the ladder, dressed up as a fireman. He was followed by other firemen. He reached up to the window and bravely entered the room. So he's a very brave boy. Many persons, when they see the situation, they become start crying. But see the Darshan is wearing the fire dress, and after that he entered in the room. After that, he reached up to the window and bravely entered the room. Then he pushed down the beam. He lifted the girl in his arm and then came out of the window. After that, he taken the girl and came in outside. He handed the girl to the other fireman. After this, he slowly came down the ladders. Clear? After that, everyone was watching Darshan as he came down. He was greeted by a loud applause from everyone. After that, the Darshan came down side by the ladder. So when all the people from the locality, when they seen the bravery of the Darshan, he became very happy. They start to clapping and welcoming the Darshan. And the Lizzie parent, Lizzie is the 4-year girl who saved life saved by the Darshan. So when their parent seen, he became very happy, and after that he thanked to the Darshan. Darshan got many gifts and award for his bravery, but his greatest achievement was the satisfaction of his soul. Like a good citizen, he performed his duty. He get many gifts. This is your duty. If any work is there, you see, if you able to do, just do it. This is your duty. If you follow your duty, means you are a good citizen. See, if in the place of Darshan, I think many persons, when they see the condition, they become very terrified. Means how we save. If maybe in such condition, if he is injured, maybe if he will die, then who are responsible? But see, the bravery means how they save a small girl life. Clear, student? So the many work, if you know, then you just help the other person. Clear? Like you see, if you walking on the road, if you see any old person, if they are not able to cross the road, please help him. If any blind people, if you see on the road, if they need some help, just give some money. Do the help. If you see any accident happen on the road, just you take the patient and rush to the hospital. Maybe their life becomes safe. Clear? So there are different duties. So the meaning, the moral of this chapter means you perform your duty well. Clear? So your first duty to learn question answer, complete the copy, and be ready for the third term exam. Okay, friend? So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Understand? Just you complete all the chapters. Okay? Because when skill will open, then I will check your copy. Clear? Okay.